मास्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कार, स्वागतम। अद्यतनी कक्षा सप्तसप्तत्युत्तर चतुश्शततमी 477th क्लास टुडे। जानन्ति भवन्तः एतावत् पर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः 12 श्लोकाः पठिताः। 50 श्लोकेषु पूर्वार्धे 12 श्लोकाः तत्र पठिताः सन्ति। 12म श्लोकस्य सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः यः वर्तते सः इदानीं क्रियमाणः अस्ति अस्माभिः। अन्वयार्थः पठनीयः अद्य। आकाङ्क्षा, पदपरिचय, पदच्छेदः एव त्रय अंशाः इतः गतकक्षायां कृताः। सो वी हैव डन 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज। आकाङ्क्षा, पदच्छेद एंड पदपरिचय। अनन्वय क्षम्यताम्, अन्वयार्थः पठनीयः। शो, यस प्लीज शो दिस कोश, पेज 80. On the day I could not make it as Surya Shabda on page 80. It belongs to the previous lesson. The first part has already been considered, therefore we have not taken. Surya, Suvati, Prerayati, Vyapareshu iti. Everything is clear. Bhaswan, Bhaso, Asya Santiti. I have already explained this. Bhaskarha, Bhasam Karoti iti. The maker of the day makes the light, or light means actually day. Arkaha Archata iti. So Aryama Iryati, Iyarti, Gacchati iti. Ru iti dhatoho Nishpannaha Ayam Shabdaha Tingantapadam. Idam Pumlingo Aryaman Shabdaha. What is that? Acha, okay. This is Nakaranta Pullinga Aryaman Shabda. Everything Aryama, Aryamanu, Aryamanaha, etc. Suraha, Suvati, Prerayati, Karmani, Lokan, Udayan. Almost the same thing. Surya and Sura. One who induces people to activity by his rise. Bhanuhu, Bhatiti. This I was little could not tell last time. Bhati iti Bhanuhu. Deeptau, Bha Deeptau. One who shines is Pusha, Pushnati iti. Pushnati iti. I am Nakaranta Pullinga. So that is, you can see it is available in Pratama Gana, 9th Gana, 4th Gana and 10th Gana. It is, see how many places it is. Pushnati, Poshati is also there. Pushtau, that is not given anything. Okay. Pushnati, Pushyati, 4th, and Poshayati. Dinaprani, Dinasya Prani. So, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, Prani Shabda, we have like Sudhi in Shabda Manjari, you have to look up. Visham Deham Vevestiti, pervades the body and kills the body. That is how it is. Visha Vyaptau, pervasion, surrounding, etc. Present tense is Vevesti, which is 9th class of verb. In the 3rd class, in the 9th class also, it means Viprayoge, it separates. As I have said, separates the self from the body. So it is Visha. Shvedaha, there is a, Shveda is given, there is a spelling mistake in the text. Shvedate mohayati, Shveda iti dhatuhu, snehana moshanayoho, to wet, release, present tense, Shvedayati. Garalam girati iti garalam, girati jeevam, it devours the life, and therefore it is called Garalam. Nigarane, etc. Girati. So this you can, now we go. Anvayartha.
Yes.
Sahitya.
Sangeeta kalavihinah manavah sakshat puchha vishanahinaha pashuhu bhavati सः तृणं न खादन् अपि जीवमानः वर्तते इति तत् पशूनां परमं भागधेयं भवति।
वस्तुतः अयं श्लोकः अत्यन्त सरलः अस्ति अर्थदृष्ट्या। अर्थः सरलः अस्ति, बट हेवी कंडेमनेशन देयर। साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः पुरुषः साक्षात् पशुः इति, पशुतुल्यः इति। न केवलं पशुतुल्यः परन्तु पशूनां तत्र परमं भागधेयमिति उक्तं तत्र। यतोहि अयं साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः पुरुषः तृणं न खादति, तृणं न खादन् जीवमानः वर्तते, जीवति, जीवन् अस्ति। अतः तद् परमं भागधेयमिति पशूनां विषये इति कथयति महाकविः। पदार्थं श्रीनिवास। ओ आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन। साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः, वेरी सिंपल। साहित्य विहीनः, संगीत विहीनः, कला विहीनः। साहित्येन हीनः, संगीतेन हीनः, कलया विहीनः, कलया विहीनः। एतैः सर्वैः विहीनः मानवः, पुरुषः, नरः साक्षात् पुच्छ विषाणहीनः, पुच्छ विषाणहीनः भवति। हीनः पशुः। को वा भेदः पशु नरयोः, पशवोः पशुनरयोः इत्युक्ते अयं भेदः। नरपशोः पुच्छं न भवति, नरपशोः तत्र विषाणं न भवति। अथवा नरोपि पशुर्भवति एतैः विहीनः, एतैः त्रिभिः विहीनः यदि भवति। If man is devoid of these three things, Sahitya, Sangeeta and Kala, then he will be just like he is just like an animal without the tail and the horn. Pashuh bhavati. Sa, that man, trunam na khadan, while not eating the grass, api jivamanaha, but living, vartate iti. The fact that he is living without eating the grass, tat, that is pashunam paramam bhagadim, that is the highest luck for the animals. Had man, like we thought of yesterday in the class, had man taken to eating grass also, this type of man, then their grass would not also have been available to the animals. Therefore, tat nama atra kim? तत्र तृण अखादनं, तृणं न खादन् यः वर्तमानः वर्तते, विद्यमानः जीवमानः वर्तते नरः, तत् अखादनं, तद् नाट् ईटिङ्ग्, अनशनं, तद् अनशनं पशूनां परमं भागधेयमस्ति. दट् इस् दि ग्रेटेस्ट् थिङ्ग् फॉर दि एनिमल्स्, दट् ही डस् नाट् ईट् देयर फूड, दो ही इस् टर्म्ड हियर एस् एनिमल विदाउट दि टेल एंड दि हॉर्न. पदार्थ श्रीनिवास. साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः.
आनंददायकं काव्यादिकं नृत्य गीत वाद्य स्वरूपं चतुष्षष्टिकलाभिः विरहितः जनः साक्षात् मूर्तिमान्.
No, let me explain here. First, sahitya. Hitena saha. Srinivas. Hitena saha. Sahitam. Hitena saha becomes sahitam. Sahitasya bhavaha sahityam. Sahitya is essentially supposed to contain in it message to the society. Hitena saha sahitam. Sahitasya bhavaha sahityam. Sahitya is the abstract, is the content of hita. Sahitya always contains some message or the other for the people. Literature, literature keeps some critics pointed out, literature only can keep men as human beings, not the commerce and the science. They have no power to keep the human being as humane. Only literature has that effect on the mind. And truly, our poet also says, Sahitya, that is what? Hitena sah sahitam, sahitasya bhavaha sahityam. Now Sangeetam, as I have explained yesterday, Samyak Geetam, well sung, that is called Sangeetam. And Sangeeta is Geetam, Vadyam, Nartanam cha, Trivihi Sangeetam uchyati. Three things. Geetam, Vadyam, Nartanam cha, Trivihi Sangeetam uchyati. In Sangeeta, in music, there is a song rendering, there is Vadya instruments, and there is Nartana also sometimes. Even dance also is there. So that is called Sangeetam. Samyak Geetam is one definition, and the other one Geetam, Vadyam, Nartanam cha, Trivihi Sangeetam uchyati. With these three things it is called Sangeetam. So, Subhashitena Geetena Yuvatinam cha Leelaya. You must have read this Subhashita. Subhashitena Geetena Yuvatinam cha Leelaya Manona Bhidyate Yasya Sa Yogi Athava Pashuhu. Subhashitena Sundara Bhashitena Sahitya Paraka Vachanena Geetena, Subhashitena Geetena, Sangeetena, Geetena no Sangeetena, Subhashitena Geetena, Yuvatinam cha Leelaya, Yuvatinam Vishaye ya Leela bhavati, ya Chamatkritihi bhavati, yat Saundaryam bhavati, Taya Leelaya Tena Saundaryena va, Yasya Purushasya Manahana Vidyate, Manahana Vichalitam bhavati, सा योगी वा भवेत अथवा पशुः वा भवेत. So it's more direct saying that. Subhashitena Geetena Yuvatinam cha Leelaya Manona Bhidyate Yasya Purushasya Manahana Bhidyate Sa Yogi Athava Pashuhu. Tadrusha Prabhavaha Sahitye Asti. तादृशः प्रभावः संगीते अस्ति. तादृशी शक्तिः तत्र किमन्ते कलासु अस्ति. कलासु चतुष्षष्टिकलाः याः वर्तन्ते तासु कलासु अपि फैन् आर्ट्स् कलासु शक्तिः वर्तते. So that is it, Sahitya, Sangeeta, Kala. So some people have interpreted this Sangeeta, we are taking here three units. Sahityam iti ekam, Sangeetam iti dvitiyam, Kala iti trutiyam iti. Traya vishayaha tatra upasthapidaः सन्ति अस्मिन् वाक्ये. परन्तु केचन एवं तत्र स्वीकुर्वन्ति साहित्यं संगीतस्य कला संगीतकला इति. संगीतस्य कला इति विषयद्वयं कुर्वन्ति ते. They only make here two mentions. One is Sahitya, another is Sangeetasya Kala. Then Sangeeta Kala, only Sangeeta will be there. You cannot have the fine arts here implied. So that is how they interpret. It is also possible. The rest is very simple. Yeah. Sakshat Pratyaksham. Yes. Pucha, not Pucha. Langula Shrunga Rahita. Shrunga. Pucham Nama Langulam. Vishana Shrunga. Shrunga Rahita. Pashuhu Bhavati Jayate Vidyate Trunam. Saha Nama Atra Saha Purushaha. Trunam Ghasam Ghasadikam Na Khadan Napi. Abhakshayan api, though not eating the grass, Jivamanaha Jivanashilaha bhavati, he is seen living. Tat only. Pashunam Vastavika Gavadi Pashunam. In reality, real cow and other animals. Vastavika Gavadi Pashunam. Pashunam Nama Paramam Mahat Paramam Mahat Bhagadheyam Saubhagyam iti. Yeah, Bhavartha you read.
यः पुरुषः साहित्यसङ्गीतचातुरीं न जानाति सः शृङ्गपुच्छविहीनः पशुरेव भवति। सः घासं न खादन् अपि जीवति इत्येतत् पशूनां परमं सौभाग्यमस्ति। अनेन नरपशुना वास्तविकपशूनां खाद्यं न समाप्यते इति पशूनां भयमिति व्यङ्ग्यम्।
व्यङ्ग्यार्थः. It is suggested. Vyangyam means suggested. Yeah. Yaha Purusha, I was just looking at. Whichever person, Sahitya Sangeeta Chaturim na janati, one who does not know the cleverness or does not have the knowledge of Sangeeta Sahitya and also fine arts, na janati, saha Shrunga Puccha Vihinaha, without the horn and tail, Pashureva Bhavati, is just an animal. Saha, that person, Ghasam na kadannapi, though not eating the grass, Jivati iti etat, the fact that he lives without eating the grass, Pashunam Paramam Saubhagyam Asti, this is the greatest advantage to the animals, fortune for the animals. Anena, with this Narapashuna, with this human animal, Vastavika Pashunam Khadyam, the food of the real animals, na samapyati iti, is not finished. Is the fact, due to this fact, Pashunam Bhayamiti Vyangyam. That is the, because Anena Narapashuna Vastavika Pashunam Khadyam na samapyati iti. See, the animals have a fear, would have had a fear had he started eating the grass. So they don't have that fear now. That is suggested. Khadyam na samapyati iti, the food is not being finished. Pashunam bhayamiti vyangyam. That is the fear of the animals. That is what is suggested through this poem. Now we have, I think, amply proved what the Mahakavi opines to express. Kima vipraiti tatra Mahakavihi. Purushaha manavaha manaviya gunaihi yuktaha yadi bhavati tadanimeva saha manavaha bhavati. Manaviya gunaihi rahitaha yadi bhavati. Manaviya gunaha कथं वा तत्र प्राप्तुं केभ्यः प्राप्तुं शक्यते इति उक्ते साहित्यपठनेन तत्र सद्गुणाः सम्पद्यन्ते, सङ्गीतश्रवणेन सङ्गीत आलापेन तत्र कलाभिः कला पोषणेन कला अभ्यासेन तत्र मानवीय तत्र गुणाः गुणान् अर्जितुं शक्यते। यदि एतेषु त्रिषु अपि न एकोऽपि गुणः न भवति नरे पुरुषे तर्हि सः पशुरेव। त्रिभिः गुणैः विहीनः पुरुषः पशुतुल्यः भवति सः। केवलं तत्र भेदः कः वर्तते, शृङ्गविषये तत्र न दृश्यते, पुच्छं न दृश्यते नरे, अथवा स पशुरेव। Later we will see the interpretation of this Pashu also is there in Kosha. Okay, Srinivas? Nidarshanam. Rakarnamshah Sandhi. Sandhi eka eva sandhi, Srinivas. Jivamanastat.
Jivamanah tat.
Now this Jivamanaha nama Jivati iti. It means Jivati iti. Tatchilaha, that is. Tatchilya Vayo Vachana Shaktishu, there is one sutra quoted there, Chanash. So you get here Jivamana, Chanash Pratyaya here, in the sense of he is habituated to live without eating the grass. Tatchile. So Tatchilaha and Jivamana here means Jivati iti. Although it is Shanach here, Chanash, it is to be taken as present tense only. Yeah, that is what Sandhi is, Visarga Sandhi. Samasa Dvayam Trayam, sorry. Sahitya Sangeeta, oh, two only. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihina.
Sahitya Sangeetayoh Kalaha, Sahitya Sangeeta Kalaha, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasaha, Sahitya Sangeeta Kalabihi Vihinaha, Trutiya Tatpurusha Samasaha.
Yes, Trutiya Tattva. Sahitya Sangeetayoh Kala. Oh, he is again giving different, in a different way. We have taken separately Sahityam, Sangeetam, Kala. Sahitya Sangeetayoh Kala, the arts of these two. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha. So Kala also could mean there are a big list of fine arts is given in Chatushashti Kala. 64 are there, they may be hinted here. But to read out that is not our. Puchha Vishana Hinaha.
Puchascha Vishanaucha Puchcha Vishanaha Dvandva Samasaha Taihi Hinaha Puchcha Vishana Hinaha Trutiya Tatpurusha.
This Pucho Astri. This Pucha is a Dvilingika. Ubailinga Shabda. Pucha. See, in the sloka Pucham is there. It is not there Pucha. It is in Samasa Pada only. Pucha Vishana. Where are we reading? Yeah. Yeah, nowhere it is given. But it is Pucha is Napumsakalinga and also Pullinga. And that is why here in the Samasa, Puchascha Vishanau. Vishana Shabda is Pulling. Vishanaha Vishanau. Cha. Pucha Vishanaha Dvandva Taihi Hinaha Trutiya. That's Krudanta Shabdaha Kativa Santi Srinivas? Trayaha Shabdaha. Khadan. Khada iti dhatu Shatrupatiyan. Jivamanaha.
Jiva iti dhatu Shanash.
Chanash. It is actually Chanash. Jiva. Not Shanach. Chanash, Chanash, both are same only. Okay. Vihinaha.
Vi Tupasarga Haiti dhatu Oha Tyage Tansa.
Ohak Tyage. Viha Ohak Tyage. That is the dhatu there. Ha is coming in this O and K, get deleted. Vi upasarga purvakaha and vihinaha. Okay, next over. Only three. Taditanta dvayam ekameva sahityam.
Sahitya plus
Shen. Sahitasya. So what I just said, Sahitasya Bhava he has given. Hitena Saha Sahitam. Sahitasya Bhavaha Sahityam. Though that is further analyzed here, Sahitya Shan. Pratyaya you get Sahityam. Chanda Upajatihi, which we have already covered, I suppose, in the beginning. Lakshanam Saptama Slokasya Vivarana Avasare Dattam Asti. Idanim Koshaha. 86. Pucham. This is printed?
Yes.
You have given me also.
Yeah. Puchostri Roma Langule Bala Hastascha Balabhihi.
Puchostri. Puchaha Astri means which is not Strilinga. But it is Pullinga and Napumsakalinga. Puchostri means it is not Strilinga. Astri. Nastri iti. Nastrilinga it is. But when it is negated, said it is not Strilinga, it means two other lingas. Pullinge asti pucha shabdaha napumsakalinge pi bhavati tatra. Parantu striyam strilingena bhavati. Atah astri. So this is a bit a problem only for the beginners. Even we have to look into dictionary. There is no, told you in the beginning. Sometimes everybody gets a doubt whether regarding the linga. Sometimes trilinga. All the three lingas are there for this. All adjectives are like that mostly. So pucha. Pucha is the dhatu which is first. Now, Srinivas, I should tell that what do you call that mark? Any name is there for that? No. I have given it for a verb in this speech. It shows it is a root verb, dhatuhu. Pucha iti dhatuhu. That Roman 1 refers to first class of verbs which we have already explained. Bhuvadigana, and P stands for Parasmaipada. So remember, this number refers to the Gana number 1 to 10, first to 10, and the P or A stands for Atmanepadi, P stands for Parasmaipadi. If it is U, it is Ubhayapadi. So Pramade, in the sense of Pramada, Pucha is used to err, to be careless. Now, this is how they have interpreted it. What is the Pramada? What is careless? Pucham, I cannot interpret it. Then some other interpretation is Puchaha Paschat Pradeshaha Syat Langule. Paschat Pradesha means where is Pucha located, Srinivas? The back. Pucha is located at the back. Now, Paschat Pradesha, it is the place located in the body of the animal at the end. When it is horizontally, not vertically, horizontally, all the animals are. So, Paschat Pradesha Syat Langule, and Langula also means the same thing. Langulam. Then, next one. Lumam, luyate, luyiti dhatuhu. This is 9th class Ubhayapadi. Chedane, to divide, to cut off, etc. Karmani, it is Karmani means, what is Karmani? How do you understand? Passive voice. Passive voice, Karmani, it becomes luyate. In Lati means Vartamana Kala. Sometimes I am writing present tense, here I have written Lati. Lati means in the present tense, it becomes Lunati, Luniti, Ubhayapadi, because it is Ubhayapadi, Lunati, Luniti, cuts or divides. Now that is how. Now it refers to again the tail. Anyway, Langulam, Langa iti dhatu is there, which is Prathama Gana, Parasmaipada, Gatau, to go, Lati, Langati, Langulam, Pucha Sefayoho. Pucha Sefayo. Sefa is scrotum of a person. So that is how one dictionary is giving Medini. Langulam Pucha Sefayo. Bala Hastaha. This Pucha has so many names here now, you see. Bala Hastaha. Balanam Hastaha. Samuhova. Bala means hair. You know, the tail has so many hair. And this is very descriptive word only here, Srinivas. Balanam Hastaha. It contains all the hairy tail. Samuhova. Hasta means Samuha. A group of hair are found on the tail. Therefore, it is called Bala Hastaha. Nothing to do with here, Srinivas. Balasya Hastaha, hand of a boy. No, Bala here means Kesha. Keshanam Samuha iti. Then Baladihi. Baladihi like Payodihi, Jaladihi. Bala Dhiyante Yatra. Hair are located here. Hair are situated here. That is why it is called hairy. If you were to say, ask me in English how to translate correctly, hairy part. Hairy part. H-A-I-R-Y. Hairy part. Baladihi. That is how this is interpreted. So, Baladihi Pucham, Balahastaha Pucham, Langulam Pucham, Lumam Pucham, Pucham Pucham. Tucham. Now, I am reminded of one sloka here. न दंश निवारणे न गुह्य गोपने. Life is a waste without education. Vidyaya vina. Sorry. Shunaha puchchamiva. Shunaha puchchamiva vyartham jeevitam. Shunaha puchchamiva vyartham jeevitam vidyaya vina. You can understand that? Vidyaya vina, without learning, education, Shunaha puchchamiva vyartham jeevitam. Life is waste. Life is waste without education. Like what? Shunaha puchcham iva. Like the tail of a dog. Shva shabda. Shva, shvanau, shvanaha. Coming to Shashti, Shunaha kukurasya, shunakasya puchchamiva jeevitam vyartham bhavati vidyaya vina. Na guhya gopane shakyam na damsha nivarane. The tail of a dog cannot hide any part of it. Neither can it hide any part of the body, nor is it useful in warding off the flies sitting on it. Damsha nivarane, or any insects like mosquito and others, when they hop on the body of the dog cannot ward off them, remove them. So it is waste. Shunaha puchchamiva jeevitam vyartham vidyaya vina na guhya gopane shakyam na damsha nivarane. It is not, it can neither do this thing or that. So in the same way, man's life is simply waste without learning. So that Puchcha Shabda recalled this poem. Now what is the next word, Srinivas? Vishanam. This is already Vevesti, Visha iti dhatuhu trutiyagana vyaptau vishehe shanach. Now vyaptau means it is spread in some space, it occupies on in the body of the animal. Then bhagadheyam, Srinivas.
Bhagasya aishwaryasya idam bhagam tadeva bhagadheyam.
Now, what is in the text? Vishanam syat pashu shrunge. It is there. Pasho shrunge. So we have left it. Shrungam. Bhagasya aishwarya. Bhaga means aishwarya. Bhagasya aishwaryasya idam bhagam. This is a part of the fortune. Tadeva bhagadeyam. That itself is bhagadeyam. Luck, fortune, whatever is. Daivam, Srinivas.
Devah parameshwarah
tatra bhavam.
Devasya atmana idam daivam purva karma. Deva means atma. Relating to that is purva karma. Devad
agatam has come from the Deva. Has come from Deva. So one interpretation is Devaha means Parameshwaraha tatra bhavam. Since he is there, born in that Parameshwara. Tatra bhavam jatam. Daivam. Daivam is what? Deva is Parameshwara. Tatra Parameshware bhavam jatam. What is generated, born in the Parameshwara? That is Daivam. Daivanugraham we say. When we say Daivanugraha, Deve yaha anugraha jataha saha Daivanugraha. Compassion born in the God, isn't it? So, one interpretation, are you getting? Devaha nama Parameshwaraha. Tatra Parameshware bhavam. Bhavam nama jatam. Daivam. Right. Next. Devasya means Atmanaha. Another interpretation. Devasya referring to Atmanaha, to the self. Idam, this. Daivam. Purva karma. Relating to the self. What is relating to the self? Purva karma. Daivam here refers to the merit of the Purva Janma. What do you call the Purva Janma? Sukruti. Devanama atra Atmanaha, Devasya Atmanaha idam. Daivam. Daivam nama Purva karma. Previous action. Now, how this Purva karma, Praktana karma, what we say, Praktana. I am going to, there is one beautiful poem when we come to the next, here only we are going to see that. Remember this, Srinivas. So, Purva karma is that. So, Deva means Atma, relating to that is Purva Karma. Atma means self here, Srinivas. Devad Agatam, what has come from the God is also Daivam. Understand? What is commonly interpreted here? What are two interpretations are almost same. First one and third one, if you see. Devaha Parameshwara Tatra Bhavam. Devat Agatam Daivam. What has come from Deva. So that is Daivam. Regarding Daiva, this factor of Purva Karma, Srinivas, Panchatantra has beautiful illustration. Kruta prayatnopi gruhena jivati. Arakshitam, Srinivas, there is one incident where this Daiva factor is illustrated by Vishnu Sharma in Panchatantra. Arakshitam tishtati Daiva Rakshitam. Listen, today 3 poems I have quoted of the memory. Arakshitam tishtati Daiva Rakshitam. Surakshitam vinashyati Daiva Hatam. I am trying to bring in that poem to illustrate what is Daivam. Daivam here is Purva Karma interpreted. Arakshitam tishtati Daiva Rakshitam. What is protected by your Purva Janma Sukrut, or what is protected by divinity, divine power, in 2 ways you understand, try to understand. Even if it is not protected by us, it stays on. Human effort, with human effort, what is unprotected will be protected if it is sanctioned by the Daivam. If it is having some connection to the previous, some account in the previous life. Understand? Arakshitam tishtati Daiva Rakshitam. Daivena Rakshitam Vastu va Purusho va tishtati. Surakshitam Manavaihi Surakshitam. However great, however, with whatever effort you may protect a thing or a person, Srinivas. Mahata Shramena, Mahata Yatnena Prayatnena api yadi kaschana Purushaha Rakshitaha bhavati Manushyahi Manavaihi Surakshitam Daiva Hatam Vinashyati. That will be finished if it is not sanctioned by, if it is unsanctioned by the luck or your previous karma or God, if it is not acceptable to Daivam. Jivati anathopi vane visarjitaha, Srinivas. Jivati anathopi vane. Somebody may live if left without any one to accompany in the jungle. A person may live on if left without any protection, any help in the jungle. Kruta prayatnopi, listen, Kruta prayatnopi, with all the prayatna, gruhe sana jivati, the same person, all the care taken at home or in the hospital, sana jivati, will not live. If the factor called Daivam is not there, try to understand that. One of the beautiful poem from Panchatantra, Kruta prayatnopi gruhe sana jivati. You know, I may refer to that incident accidentally, Srinivas, to what Miss Jayalalitha has said a few days ago, that this is my second birth and people's prayers have worked on me. They have brought me from death to back to life. Maybe some punya Daivam is there with her. A lady who, it was very difficult for her to live on, survive. So that is the thing. You know, if somebody lives on, if he has to live, somebody dies with all the care. So that is called Daivam. You understood or not?
Yeah.
For this way I have taken that poem. Next, Dishtam, Srinivas. Dishtam.
Dishati शुभाशुभमिति.
Shubha Ashubhamiti. Dishati, which disha means atisarjane, to grant, to allow, to give. Dishati grants Shubha Ashubhamiti. Shubham va Ashubham va, which gives good and bad. So, as per your previous karma, Purva karma, you either get good or bad. So, I am again reminded of a quotation of Buddha. Sukhasya dukkhasya na kopi data. Very simple. Sukhasya dukkhasya na kopi data. Paro dadati iti. Paraha dadati iti. Somebody else is giving sukha to you, somebody else is giving dukkha to you. Paro dadati iti kubuddhiresha. This is your foolishness only. Kubuddhihi esha, kubuddhiresha. This is a wrong thinking. This is your foolishness to think that somebody is giving me sukha, somebody is causing me dukkha. So what does it mean? You got the point of Buddha. They say it is said by Buddha. I cannot quote from where it is, but this line is like that. So what does it mean? Manavaha swayameva tatra praktana tatra daiva vashat sukham anubhavati, daiva vashat dukkham anubhavati. That is. Na anyaha kopi sukham na dadati, anyaha kopi dukkham na dadati. If you think somebody is causing you, then it is your foolishness. Sukhasya dukkhasya na kopi data paro dadati iti kubuddhiresha. So this reminds that. What is that reminding us? Dishati shubha shubhamiti bhagyam bhajaniyatvat bhaja sevayam bhagyam visena bhajaniyatvat, they say it is interpreted, that means it is worth pursuable by human effort. Bhagyam. Niyatihi, next word is niyatihi. Strilinga Shabda.
Niyamyate anaya.
Purusha iti. Man is controlled, checked by this. Yam, to, which is Prathamagana Parasmapada, Uparame, to restrain, to check. Lat lakara, it is yachati. In Karmani Prayoga, niyamyate. Niyamyate is checked. Niyati is a check. It's a rule which controls you. Discipline. Then vidhihi, pullinga shabda, vidhiyate anena iti, vidhiyate anena iti. Man is ordained by this. Vidhi is that. What is vidhi? Vidhiyate anena iti, anena manavaha purushaha vidhiyate. Man is ordained by this, ruled by this. Vidha iti, dhatu, third gana, ubhayapada, to ordain, to direct. Vidadati, vidatte in Latlakara, Srinivas. So this is how I think this kind of understanding will enhance what Bhartrihari is trying to put across, put into our, convey to the readers. The importance of Sahitya, Sangita, etc. etc. So where are we, Srinivas, now? Shanach pratyayasya prayoga vishaya we have already noted. Abhyasaha dvadashamaha. Srinivas sloka padachedam kuruta. What you can do fast?
Yeah. Sahitya Sangita Kalavina Sakshat Pashu Ucha Vishana Hina Trunanna Khadan Api Jivamanaha Tat Bhagadeyam Paramam Pashuna.
Second, Dvitiyamshaha Kostakastebhyaha Padebhyaha Uchitam Padam Chitva Riktasthanam, as usual. Sahitya Sangita Kalavinaha Sakshat Pashuhu Tat Pashunam Paramam Bhagadeyam. So in two ways he has given the third letter alternative. You could have jumped. Okay. Third Amsha Vigraha Vakyani Pushpa Vihinam Just like Sahitya Sangita Kala Vihinam, without flowers, meaning I am telling you, so you put it in Sanskrit. Without flowers. How do you put that? Vigravakya. Pushpaihi Vihinam. Like Sahitya Sangita Kala Vihi. Kala is Strilinga Shabda there. Kala Bhihi Vihinam has come there. Similarly, Pushpaihi, you can't say Pushpa Vihi Vihinam. Can you say that? Pushpa Vihi. Putra Sahitaha. Accompanied by sons, with sons. How do you put Putra Shabda? Vigravakya. Putraihi Saha. Should not have doubt. Or it could be Putrena Sahitaha. Ekavachana or Bahuvachana doesn't matter. Putrena Sahita is somebody is occupied by one son, or a father may be occupied by many sons. Putraihi va, Putrena va, Sahitaha. Truna Virahitam. Trunaihi. Truna, you can't take one Truna here. One blade of grass is not. Trunaihi Vihinam. Truna Vihi, I'm sorry, Vihitam. Virahitam, sorry. Trunaihi Virahitam. Truna Virahitam. Without the grass. Truna Shabda Napumsakali. Chatutamsha Visheshana Visheshye Yojayata. Pucha Vishanahinaha. Very simple. Paramam Bhagadayam. That is very simple. Next. Yeah. Pushpa Vihinam goes with Kena Saha Gacchati.
Pushpa Vihinam Kanta.
No. Come down, same way. Same route. Saraha. Nishprayojanam. Pushpa Vihinam Saraha Nishprayojanam. A lake without flowers is useless. When does a lake look good? Only with flowers. Pushpa Vihinam, Pushpaihi Vihinam, Saraha, Saras Shabda, Saras, Saraha Sarasi, Saramsi, Saraha Nishprayojanam. Because Saras is Napumsaka, see the adjective Nishprayojanam, not Nishprayojanaha.
But that may go with this Jalavihinam.
But
second is Jalavihinam.
which one?
Second one. Jalavihinam is also there. That may go with Saraha Nishprayojanam.
Okay, we'll see. There is some problem here. One is Jalavihinam. Okay, as you said, Jalavihinam. It goes with two. No. Jalavihinam Saraha Nishprayojanam. Yeah, Saras means water. Saras means water only, na?
Yeah.
So it is, as you said, it is correct. Jalavihinam Saraha Nishprayojanam. For both, Pushpavihinam Saraha Nishprayojanam, Jalavihinam. Okay, right. Then you take third one. Swarna Hara Yuktaha Shobhati. That is what. Swarna Hara Yuktaha Kantaha Shobhati. The neck with golden chain looks good. Fourth. Vidya Vihinaha
Samaje na adriyate.
Na adriyate. An illiterate, an uneducated person is not respected in adarana. Adru. Na adriyate. Na patra pujyate iti. Na adriyate na pujyate. Samaje. So an uneducated person is not respected in this society. Then fourth one, Vidya Vihinaha Samaje overdone. Dhana Vihinaha Daridraha iti katyate. But one is missing, na, still?
Yeah.
One is unnecessary. For that they have not given. Dhana Vihinaha Daridraha iti katyati. So, I'm going to stop here. Shubham Bhuyat. Punar Milama.